Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make churros with oil. First, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Then, remove it from the heat and quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a smooth dough ball forms. Let the dough cool for about 5 minutes before incorporating 2 large eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Now, let's get those churros shaped perfectly. Transfer your cooled dough into a sturdy piping bag fitted with a large star-tipped nozzle. This tip is essential for creating the signature ridges of a churro. Carefully pipe your desired churro lengths onto strips of parchment paper. Aim for consistent sizes, perhaps 4 to 6 inches long, to ensure they cook evenly. This step makes transferring them to the hot oil much easier and safer. It's time to fry. Heat at least 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or Dutch oven to 375 degrees F or 190 degrees Celsius. Carefully slide 1 or 2 churros at a time into the hot oil using the parchment paper as a guide, then remove the paper. Fry them until they are beautifully golden brown, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Remember not to overcrowd the pan, as this can lower the oil temperature and result in greasy churros. Once your churros are perfectly fried, carefully remove them from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While they are still warm, toss them generously in a mixture of granulated sugar and ground cinnamon. This sweet and spicy coating is a classic churro finish. Serve your crispy, warm churros immediately with a side of chocolate sauce, dulce de leche, or any dipping sauce you prefer. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.